There are various ways to connect the measuring mat, monitor, and PC with each other. Only one of those connections can be a Wi-Fi connection. In option 1, the measuring mat is connected via Wi-Fi to the monitor. The monitor then uses an Ethernet connection to communicate with the software on the PC. With this option, the measuring mat can also be controlled from the monitor. The measurement data are fed to the monitor via a direct Wi-Fi connection. The measurement data is then stored in the Seca Analytics 115 software on the PC using a network cable. In option 2, the measuring mat uses a magnet connection on the monitor for direct communication. With this option, the measurement is initiated by pressing the button on the measuring mat. It cannot be followed simultaneously on the monitor. When the measurement is complete, the data is transferred from the measuring mat to the monitor once the mat is reconnected to the monitor via magnet connection. The data is then transferred via Wi-Fi from the monitor to the Seca Analytics 115 software. The following measurement procedure follows option 1 and uses the workflow with a wireless connection between monitor and measuring mat. An Ethernet cable connects the monitor to the PC and the Seca Analytics 115 software. Ask the subject to relax, prepare the patient file as described, and add the current values for the subject's weight, height, waist circumference, and PAL value. Then click on the BIA tab. Wait until the position buttons on the monitor are active. Attach the electrodes to all the extremities as shown. Remove the measuring mat from the magnetic holder on the monitor. Lay the measuring mat with the lettering facing upwards and the control panel facing the user across the subject's knees. Connect the measuring mat electrode cables to the electrodes. Identify the position of the body on the measuring mat or the monitor by pressing the correct position button. Initiate the measurement process either on the mat or on the monitor. Now you can follow the procedure on the monitor. If required, the Seca mBCA has a half-side measurement option. The formulas are then calculated on the assumption that the respective other side of the body is identical. If you want to measure using this 4-point method, connect the electrode cables on the measuring mat keyboard to the hand and foot electrodes on one half of the patient's body. The device automatically calculates the values for the whole body. Muscle mass is only issued as a total value in this case, and not calculated in segments. After the measurement is complete, you have the following options. You can add a comment using the pen key, save the measurement using the check key, view the assessment of the measurement results in the Assessment tab. This option is only available after saving the measurement. Cables and electrodes can be removed before the measurement results have been saved by the user. Remove the electrode cables from the electrodes, remove the electrodes from the patient. The large touchscreen display allows you to view an assessment of the measurement. The selection of the assessment modules is determined by the administrator. A report of the results can be printed from the module overview. This is a function of the PC software and is only available if the device is connected to the software. Using the module overview, you can access individual assessment modules, which you can open at the touch of a button. From there, you can view individual assessment parameters. If several sets of measurement data are present, you can view the progression over time of the assessment parameter. Click on the X button to return to the module overview.